Yo guys, what's up? So, you see this button? I'm gonna hook that up to a camera over here to watch these prisoners using that skeleton skull. Anyways, let me show you how I'm gonna do it. First, you're gonna need to type in this command /gamerule commandblockoutput false. And then you're going to have to do /give @p command block. Now click enter. And now you have a command block. Come back here. You're gonna place it here, but first let me get some redstone. I think, yeah, redstone. Alright. So now, since that's a solid block up there, I can place the redstone and then the command block. And let's go get the coordinate. So, you're gonna come over here. Let's replace the skeleton skull with a block for a moment being. Alright, you're going to copy the coordinate using this. I'm going to show you how you activate that. You come over here, you turn that on, and then you get this little thing up here. So yeah, got that coordinate. You place it with any blocks that you want to signal your camera. I'm going to use a skeleton skull. We're going to go in there in a moment. But you come back here, you do /camera @p, set Minecraft : free. And then position. And then you're going to want to copy and paste your thing in here. If you're on any other device, you can press this little button. And done for now. So you're gonna come back over here. Let's get in here, break the iron bars. It's fine. Alright, so you're gonna want to copy the position of the block you want to be looking at. For now, that's this block for me. And then you're gonna have to place the iron bar back for me. And then you're gonna go back to your command block. Right over here. Now you're going to do facing. And then you press the little button. And now just press my button here. And it works. One problem though, I can't exit the camera unless I use a command like this. /camera. Clear. And that's a big issue. I'm going to put a command block on the floor here. It's the best position. And minimal building height. Okay. I'll put it on top. If you can, I'd recommend you put it under the floor, since that's the best. I think this is the best block. Yeah. Alright. You turn it to repeating and always active, and you type in this command. I'll put it in the description for you. And now, for me, I have to crouch, and I'm out of the camera. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great and wonderful day. Goodbye. Oh, wait, let me pause the recording.